All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1019, Canada case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Canada. All right. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm seeking child support and back pay from this man.
Okay, just straightforward. That's what I like. Just get right into it. How old is the child?
The child is now 3 years old.
3 years old.
And I have not received any child support.
In 3 years?
Buckle up. Guys, today we're stepping into the Canada case where a mother is demanding child support and back pay for her 3-year-old. She claims she's gone the entire time without a single payment. The judge wastes no time, diving straight into the hard matter and setting the stage for a legal showdown that's about to get personal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Sir, is there a reason you haven't given her any child support in the past 3 years?
Yes, ma'am, there is.
What is that?
We've been discussing the paternity obligations.
Okay.
Under the circumstances, I don't think I was the only person having a fling with Rocky at the time that she and I had that time together. And,
Excuse me? Are you implying something?
Well, what I'm trying to say is that I understand that you may have been seeing some other people in addition to me. And the reason that I haven't provided
Well, those are rumors.
I understand
First of
that.
all.
I understand that.
Second
But
of
you
all.
haven't complied with my request for DNA test either. And that's my key, is that if I have an obligation, I like to make sure it is my obligation and not the obligation of some other father.
Well, maybe you should have been.
When asked why he hasn't paid in 3 years, the alleged father drops a bomb. He's not sure he's the only man the mother was with. His words shift the courtroom mood instantly, turning a simple support claim into a paternity dispute. The judge listens carefully, knowing this accusation changes everything about the case moving forward.
Obligated to your wife whenever you were having an affair with me.
You're right about that. And honest
So
truth is
you are
that,
admitting that you're married?
yes.
Okay.
And I've told her. that we had this fling.
You didn't
told
tell
your
me you
wife
were
that?
married until after.
That's correct. That's correct. I did not tell you.
I'm sorry, I won't disrupt you guys anymore. Go ahead.
Okay. So, from my perspective, Your Honor, I certainly understand the situation. I'm not trying to be hard-hearted, so to speak, about this, but I think that there's some other questions that need to be answered before we agree on paying any kind of support, because at this point, we haven't confirmed whose child this is.
Okay. Well, I definitely have some questions too, but I don't think they have anything to do with child support. It's more about you guys' backstory, but that has nothing to do with me. However, has this man taken a DNA test at all?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Did he sign anything at the hospital
No, he wasn't
acknowledging that he was the father? Okay. So he does have a valid point. Before we can actually place him on child support, he either has to accept parentage, which, according to what I'm hearing, you're really not accepting it.
He's in denial about his affair and doesn't want his wife to find out.
My wife knows.
Oh,
Yeah,
she
right.
knows now.
He's lying.
You told her?
I would have heard from her by now. I work with him, ma'am.
Oh. At the welding place?
I'm a receptionist there. That's how we met.
You're her direct manager.
Things take another sharp turn when he admits he was married during the affair. But the mother isn't done. She reveals she works under him at his company, adding a workplace twist to an already messy situation. The tension rises as the judge realizes this isn't just about money. It's tangled with betrayal, power dynamics, and public exposure.
Oh, okay. Ooh, wasn't expecting that much tea this morning. So, yeah, he's entitled to a DNA test.
Sure.
Okay, so before we can move forward with anything in terms of child support, looking at your financial documents you provided, he first needs to get a DNA test. So what I can do is you guys go and get the DNA test, then you can come back at a later date, possibly, if he's the father. If he's not the father, you're more than welcome to bring back as many people as necessary. I'm not implying by any means that what he's saying is true.
Right. He's
but if
definitely
he's
the
not
father.
the father, you can bring back as many people as necessary to get DNA testing, and we actually find the father and place him on child support.
Well, I know who it is, so that's not necessary, but thank you.
Okay.
The judge cuts through the drama with legal precision. No paternity acknowledgement, no DNA test, no child support. It's not about emotion, it's about the law. She makes it clear that only proof can establish obligations, and even hints at testing other potential fathers if the results point away from the man in front of her.
Is there anything further?
Your Honor, can we get your assistance in having this thing compelled so that we can get this DNA testing done expeditiously?
Oh, yeah, most definitely. And it will be done through the Attorney General's office.
Okay.
Because they are actually on site in the courtroom, and it will be in the courthouse rather. And it will be much easier.
The court moves forward with an official DNA order through the Attorney General's office. For the first time, the alleged father shows a hint of responsibility, saying he'll stand by if obligations are proven. It's a small step, but after 3 years of avoidance, it feels more like the system forcing his hand than a voluntary change of heart.
And free to you all to go ahead and use their resource. Okay? If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Rocky,
You're welcome.
if I have obligations here, I'll stand behind them.
I appreciate that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The judge closes a hearing. No DNA, no deal. This case leaves behind more than a legal ruling. It's a story of trust broken, justice delayed, and the high emotional cost of avoiding responsibility. Both parties walk away awaiting results, but the tension remains. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm going to go over what you all witnessed in the Canada case. Mom was wanting child support from the alleged father. He, on the other hand, didn't know if he was really the father. So before any type of child support obligation can take place, the alleged father must establish paternity. And by establishing paternity, you can take a DNA test, and or let's say, for instance, he signed an acknowledgement of paternity. That can also start his child support obligation. But absent either one of those, DNA testing must be performed in order to place the alleged father on child support.